previous lecture we studied how to calculate mean by direct method. Now we will see how to calculate the next central tendency, that is median. So in previous standard, means in 9th standard, you studied how to calculate median for ungrouped frequency distribution. Means if raw data is given, how to calculate median. So median means what? If you arrange the data either in ascending order or descending order, the score which exactly divides the data into two equal parts, that score is called as median of that data. Okay. Now here, if the data is too much long, so it is not possible for us to arrange in ascending or descending order. So we will make the frequency table, group frequency table, and we will find out median of that data. Okay. So we have formula to calculate median. So that formula is median is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. This is the formula to calculate median for group frequency distribution table. Now we will see the meaning of each abbreviation here. First, L. L means lower limit of the median class. Then N. N means sum of frequencies, sum of total of all the frequencies. H, class interval of the median class. F means frequency of the median class. CF means cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Okay. Now here, we will solve one example here. Okay. So here in this table, class represent the students' marks in exam and number of students given, and we have to find out the median of marks. Here the classes given 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 and 80 to 100. Number of students 0 to 20 marks scored by 4 students, 20 to 40, 20 students, 40 to 60 marks 30 students, 60 to 80 marks scored by 40 students and 80 to 100 marks scored by 6 students. So this much information is given in the question. Okay. Now to calculate median, we have to prepare table containing 3 columns. First column is class, which is given in the question. Second column is also given in the question, number of students, which is called as frequency. Okay. Now we have to prepare this third column, which is called as CF. CF means cumulative frequency. So this also we studied in previous standard, how to prepare cumulative frequency less than type, more than type. So here we have to prepare cumulative frequency less than type. Okay, so let's revise how to prepare cumulative frequency. Here the first lower class 0 to 20 has frequency 4. The lower class frequency we have to carry as it is. Then this 4 plus 20 is equal to 24. 24 plus 30, 54. 54 plus 40, 94. And 94 plus 6, 100. So this last score represents the value of N, means the total number of frequency. So here from this example, N is equal to 100. Followed. Now after getting N, we have to find out N upon 2. So 100 divided by 2 is equal to 50. So this step is very important of 50. Now we have to observe cumulative frequency table, CF table, and we have to find out CF which is just greater than 50. So from this table, see, this 54 is just greater than 50. So this 54 is related to the class 40 to 60. So this 40 to 60, this class is our median class. Followed? So students, your first step is you have to first find out which is the median class. So if you saw these expansions, here you can see that each values depend on median class. So first you have to find out median class. Okay, so here we got median class 40 to 60. Now first value L. L means what? Lower limit of the median class. So the lower limit of this median class is 40. So L is equal to 40. Then F means what? Frequency of the median class. So this 40 to 60 is median class. Its frequency is 30. So the value of F is equal to 30. Okay. CF means we have to take cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So our median class is 40 to 60. Its preceding class is 20 to 40. So its cumulative frequency is 24. So this value is value of CF. Followed? Then the last value is H. H means what? Class interval of the median class. Now how to find out class interval? Okay, that formula we studied in 9th standard. Class interval is equal to upper class limit minus lower class limit. So here median class is 40 to 60. So its upper class is 60 and lower class is 40. So 60 minus 40, 20. Hence we got the value of H is equal to 20. Followed? How to find out all these values? Okay. At the time of exam, students, you have to write these values because these values also carry marks. Okay. Now after getting these all values, we have to write formula. Median is equal to L plus bracket N upon 2 minus CF upon F bracket close into H. Now we will substitute values. L is equal to 40 plus N upon 2 we calculated 50 minus CF. CF is equal to 24 upon F. F is equal to 30. Bracket close into H. H is 20. Followed? Then 40 plus 50 minus 24, 26 into 20 divided by 30. Okay. Now here if you simplify this 0 0 gets cancelled. We will get 26 into 2. So 26 into 2 equal to 52. 52 upon 3. Now divide this 52 by 3. We will get answer 17.333 recurring. So up to 2 decimal place digit we will write the value. So 40 plus 17.33 we will get 57.33. So therefore the median of the marks is 57.33. Followed how to calculate median. So very first step is you have to prepare cumulative frequency table. Then this last value represent the value of N, total number of frequency. Then you have to find out N upon 2. Then N upon 2 here we got 50. So we have to observe cumulative frequency column. From that you have to take the value which is just greater than N upon 2. And the value of this, of which class, find out. And then that class is the median class. And from that you will get the rest all values. We studied through one example how to calculate median for group frequency distribution table. So let us solve some examples from practice set 6.2. Question number 1. Okay. So the here question is given. Following table shows classification of number of workers and the number of hours they work in software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. So here in this example, number of hours the workers work daily basis is given and number of workers is given, and from this information we have to find the median of the number of hours they work. Okay students, as we saw in first example, we have to prepare one table containing 3 columns. In first column, classes, which is given in the question. In this question, classes are daily number of hours. Second column, frequency, that is number of workers, which denoted as Fi. And third column, we have to prepare CF, means cumulative frequency, which is less than time. Okay. So these classes and this frequency is given in the question. Okay. Now let us see how to prepare CF. So in less than type frequency, cumulative frequency, the lower class frequency we have to carry as it is. So 150 we carried as it is. Then we have to add 150 plus 500 is equal to 650. Then 650 plus 300 equal to 950. And 950 plus 50, 1000. Now this last number is total number of frequency, which is n. Okay. So n is equal to 1000. Then after getting n, we have to find out n upon 2. So n upon 2 is equal to 1000 divided by 2, which is equal to 500. Okay. So then we have to observe CF column. In that CF column, we have to take CF which is just greater than 500. Now which CF is just greater than 500? That is 650. And 650 is corresponding to the class 10 to 12. Therefore, 10 to 12 is our median class. Median class is 10 to 12. So this is our first step. We have to find out median class. And from that we will get the remaining values. Okay. Now, according to the formula, we require L. L means what? Lower class limit of median class. Median class is 10 to 12. So its lower class limit is 10. So L is equal to 10. Okay. Next value is F. F means frequency of the median class. So frequency of the median class is 500. So F is equal to 500. Next value is CF, means cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So this is median class. So preceding class is 8 to 10. Its CF is 150. So the value of CF is 150. Followed? And the last value is H. H means what, student? Width of the median class. Okay. So width of the median class, how we calculated? Upper class limit minus lower class limit. So here upper class is 12 and lower class is 10. So 12 minus 10, 2. So H is equal to 2. Followed? So after getting these values, we will write the formula for median. Median is equal to L plus bracket n upon 2 minus CF upon F bracket close into H. Okay. Now all values we have with us. So substitute that values. L is equal to 10 plus n upon 2 is equal to 500 minus CF. CF is equal to 150 upon F. F is equal to 500. So 500 minus 150 upon 500. Close the bracket. Multiplied by H. H is equal to 2. Okay. Now student, don't go for simplification here. Don't cancel 500 minus 500. Okay. First you have to do subtraction. 500 minus 150 is 350 upon 500 into 2. Now if you open this bracket, you will get 350 multiplied by 2 divided by 500. Okay. Now here simplify this. First cancel this 0. Then 35 and 50 is divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 10s are 50. So here we got 7 into 2. 7 2s are 14. 14 upon 10. And 14 upon 10 write in decimal form. 1 upon 4. So 10 plus 1 upon 4 equal to 11.4. Sorry, 10 plus 1.4 equal to 11.4 hours. This is our answer. Then you have to write the answer in statement. The question is, find the median of the number of hours they work. So the answer is, therefore, the median of the number of hours they work is 11.4 hours. Next, question number 2. So question is, the frequency distribution table shows the number of mango trees in a group and their yield of mangoes. Find the median of data. Okay, so in this table, number of mango trees, number of mangoes and number of trees is given, and we have to find out the median of data. Okay, so again as per our method, we have to prepare table containing 3 columns. Okay, first column classes which represent number of mangoes. Second column frequency means number of trees. Okay, so this is given in the question. Now we will prepare third column CF, cumulative frequency less than 10. So lower class frequency we carried as it is. Then 33 plus 30, 63. 63 plus 90, 153. 153 plus 80, 233. And 233 plus 17, 250. Okay, now I hope everyone understood how to prepare CF less than 10. Okay, now this last number is total number of frequency, which is n. So n is equal to 250. After that, what we have to do? We have to calculate n upon 2. So n upon 2 is equal to 250 divided by 2, which is equal to 125. Okay. Now after getting n upon 2, which is 125, what we have to do? We have to observe CF column. From that column, we have to take CF, which is just greater than 125. So the CF which is just greater than 125 is 153, and this 153 is corresponding to the class 150 to 200. So this class is median class. So median class is 150 to 200. So next value is L. L means what? Lower class limit of median class, which is 150. The next value is F. F means frequency of median class. So median class frequency is 90. So the value of F is equal to 90. CF means cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So the class preceding the median class is 100 to 150 and its CF is 63. So value of CF is 63. H means width of the class. Upper class limit minus lower class limit. So upper class is 200 minus lower class is 150. So 200 minus 150, 50. Followed? Then formula. Median is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. So we substituted values, all values are with us. Okay, so L is 150 plus N upon 2 125 minus CF 63 upon F 90 into H 50. Carry 150 as it is plus 125 minus 63 we will get 62 upon 90 into 50. So open the bracket, 62 into 50 divided by 90. Okay, now here this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. We will get 62 into 5. Multiply this, 62 into 5. Multiply this and divide by 9. We will get answer 34.444 recurring. So take up to 2 decimal place digit. So 34.44. So 150 plus 34.44 we will get 184.44. So this is the median. But this median represents the number of mangoes. And number of mangoes never in decimal form. Okay. So write the answer in integer approximately. Now here after decimal point the digit is 4 which is less than 5. So we will get the answer 184 only approximately. So therefore the median of data is 184 approximately. Understood? Here the median is related to number of mangoes. Therefore we wrote the answer in integer.